Good evening, everyone. Welcome for tonight's webinar. Okay, I see three of you who joined now. Where are the rest? I hope they're just busy, huh? Hello, Mr. Eduardo, sir. Welcome for tonight. Jamar, hello. And Zoom user, whatever your name may be. So, yes, welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Okay, I hope many more will join as we go along. Okay, and we can have some much more lively discussion. If you have any questions as we go in the webinar, please don't hesitate. Okay, you can always say something in the chat. We have a chat feature here in Zoom. I hope you know that. Or you can unmute your microphone and just talk. Okay, I hope that's clear. Okay, so I believe it's my first time to meet you here, Mr. Eduardo and Jamar. Are you new in trading or you have some experience? Mr. Eduardo and Jamar, can you share your yes, some experience? Okay, Mr. Jamar, some experience. What about Mr. Eduardo? Is it months of experience, Jamar, or years, or a year at least? Already doing manual. Oh, okay, Mr. Eduardo doing manual trading. So that's good. So you know how to adjust your position size. Jamar says months. Very good. Okay, that's good. So you know how to adjust your position size, and have some risk management involved, right? Okay, you have some basic idea about candlesticks. Okay, okay, that's good. Some support and resistance concepts there, which is very important in trading, right? Yes, JMR is 0.01. Very good. We always start with 0.01. I remember I remember using this lot size for the first time, but when I executed my trade, okay, I was a newbie. I instead of 0.01, I typed in 0.1, and then when I placed the trade, it went to $1. That's 0.10. And I have no idea. And as I check the balance, it's getting less and less until I think I blew the account. Very dangerous, huh? That's why knowledge is power, right? You need the right knowledge, in everything, especially in Forex. Okay, so let's oh, there's more here. Okay. Hello, Mr. Larry, sir. Welcome. Welcome, sir. Are you new in trading, Mr. Larry? Or you have some experience? So we will have some idea of our audience for tonight. Hello, Mr. Bong. Welcome for joining. Welcome for joining. Welcome to our webinar for tonight. You have some experience in trading, Mr. Larry and Mr. Bong? Some experience. Okay, very good, very good. What about Mr. Larry? Maybe he's also having some experience, huh? I'm just guessing. Anyway, hope you will be able to, have some. Yeah, it's me, Sir Larry. Yes. Okay. So tonight, okay, since you already have some experience, we're going to discuss about Heiken Ashi candlesticks. Okay, have you heard this? Have you heard this term, Heiken Ashi? No or yes? Hello, Mr. Israel. Welcome, sir. Thank you for joining. You have some experience in trading? Can you share your background in Forex, sir, Mr. Israel? Are you a newbie, beginner, or having some experience? I don't know if Mr. Larry is hearing me, but I'm not getting any response. Okay, maybe he's busy or a shy type. Okay, he's gone now. He's very shy. Anyway, let's begin our discussion. Hi, Kanashi. Any one of you who knows about these terms? No, no one, no one. Huh? You are all newbies in this subject. Okay, let's just assume you know. Huh? No, like you know something or you don't know anything. I'm confused now. You know something about this, Mr. Bong, or you don't know? No, huh? You said no, so you don't know. Yeah, okay, very good. It's okay. There's no wrong answer in that question. Okay, we just want to know if you have some idea. Okay, for the main content, what are Heiken-Nashi candlesticks? Okay, because in Forex, there is the usual, okay, or the normal candlestick, you all know, but there's also a Heiken-Nashi. Yes. Okay, and you will know about this. And what are the types of Heiken-Nashi candlesticks? Okay, the formula, why it's plotting such kind of candlestick in the chart compared to the normal candlesticks, its limitations. Okay, when you're reading the chart using the Heiken Ashi, there are some limitations compared to the normal one. Huh? So it's very important to know why and the strategy how to use this. Okay, so you will have an edge when you are trading. Okay, so let's begin. As you all know, our famous secret giveaway, a 50% deposit bonus. Huh? So if you will deposit $100, you will get $50 extra. 500, you will get 250. 1,000, you will get 500. How nice, huh? Who will give you $500, my friends? Even your brother or your sister never gave you this $500, except if you are a very rich family, right? Even your mayor will never give you $500, but Algoter will give this to you, my friends. So avail as much as possible so you can have this chance to have more trading capital in your account. So contact our Algoter managers to avail, and they'll be gladly assisting you to have this. All right. This may go fast, only 5 slots available. So please take the chance. I don't know, find something. If you have your savings there, this is now a very good time to avail this, and you can have more trading power. All right. So also you may share this to your family, your friends who are interested in trading, and they can avail this secret giveaway. Okay, my friends. All right, moving on. Don't forget, trading with Heiken Ashi. What are Heiken Ashi candlesticks? Heiken Ashi means average bar in Japanese. The Heiken Ashi technique can be used in conjunction with candlestick charts. Okay, when trading securities to spot market trends and predict future prices. So used in conjunction, you can compare this, okay, side by side in your chart, okay, and then you can see their difference, okay, and then the more you will have more confluence, okay, or clues that this is the time to place the trade. Okay, it's useful for making candlestick charts more readable and trends easier to analyze when trading securities to spot market trends and predict future prices. Yes, because there is one specific candlestick you just have to wait. How nice, huh? If you will spot this candlestick in this trending price action, and then what to do? Nothing. You just have to place the trade because you've done your homework. You've waited to let this candlestick, Heikenashi candlestick, appear in your chart. So it's useful for making candlestick charts more readable and trends easier to analyze. So very, very nice. So we will go now to this slide here. Okay. Types of Heikenashi. Now the types of Heikenashi. The bullish candlestick. Okay. So if you will notice here, okay, there's the solid body of the candle. Okay. And then there's the upper wick. Notice there is no bottom wick. In the normal in a normal candlestick, there's gonna be wicks everywhere, up, down. There's going to be some kind of wick. Okay, how long it is? Maybe a shorter one here, maybe a longer one there, right? That's the typical candlestick, you know. But in an Hakenashi, when it's really going bullish, there will be no wicks at the bottom, and that's how you know now the trend is really pushing hard. Okay, once you spot this, okay, it means there's a green with a solid body and an upper wick. That's it. Means the trend is now bullish, 100%. And then you will have a small or no lower wick indicating an uptrend. Okay. Yes, there will be some small wicks also in the Heikanashi, but compared to the normal one, it's much smaller. Okay. And in a trending market, there will really be no wicks at all, like nothing there. Okay, so this is one for you now. This is the bullish candlestick of a Heiken-Ashi. Okay, this is the anatomy of the candlestick. Remember this, my friends. Okay, okay, very good. In a bearish candlestick is the opposite. It's a big red candle like this with no wick there on the top, but there's a wick there at the bottom like this. So it's a red with a solid body. Hello, Mr. C. Welcome, welcome, sir. Welcome back to our webinar for tonight. Thank you for joining. Okay. So in a bearish Heiken Ashi, it's red with a small body and a lower wick. Huh? Small or no upper wick. Okay? Signaling. Yes, good evening, Mr. Shi. Please, if you have any questions, any one of you, if you have any questions, you can always interrupt me because, we want as much as possible clarity and for everyone to understand as we go along, okay? So we will not go back and forth, okay? Missing all these things. Mr. Shi, buy or sell tonight? Now we will see, my friend, okay? Just have patience, okay? Because as you know, New York session is starts at 8 o'clock. And from then on, using our new revealed strategy for tonight, which is the Heiken Ashi strategy, then you can have your edge again in your trading. All right. Okay. So that's the bearish candlestick. Okay. Now, very good. You have your bullish, you have your bearish. Very clear now. Okay. Now, the Doji. Okay. Doji candlestick. Okay. Anyone heard of this before? Doji? You know about this Doji candlestick, my friends? Noah, remember the term Doji, okay? This is the secret sauce for tonight, the Doji candlestick, okay? So if you will look at this picture here, okay, there's a small body, okay? Bullish, bearish candle, but they have long wicks in both sides. Up and down, there's a big wick there on either side. Okay? Can be green or red with small body and long wicks on both sides. That's the doji. You have to practice spotting this doji in the chart. Okay? This is where the money is, my friends. Believe me, if you will master this, okay, you will always have full pockets at the end of the day. Okay? Trend is slowing. It means the trend is slowing down. Okay, compared to the bullish, it was going up, right? Maybe another one, the same one like this. Okay, let's see now in the chart, for example. I'll bring up a trading view. So it means it looks like that. Okay, a green candle and another green candle. Okay, and some wick there, right? That's the bullish candlestick we've just seen here, right? But it's green. So let's change it to the color green. Okay, you will not get confused. Green. Okay. When you see this one, it means really it's going up, huh? Bullish. And suddenly you see something like this. It means the trend is now applying the brake. It's braking now, slowing down. There's some traffic there, some traffic area here. Okay. That is what we want to spot every time, my friends. Okay. That's the doji, huh? Okay. Very nice. Now, it can be a green and a red. Sometimes you will see this as a red candle. Okay. Doesn't matter. Red and green, as long as it's a doji, something is wrong in the trend. I have to stop now or exit my trade. Okay, maybe you started your trade here somewhere there. Sorry, where is that? Maybe you started trading there. You put your stop loss there, and then you want to target this, and then you see the doji. Now, or maybe your take profit is somewhere there. Okay, you don't have this line yet in your chart. Okay, and then you started to see this. Oh my God! Now I think I have to exit. Okay, that's one clue that the trend is now going to reverse. Huh? Okay, very nice. Now you have that now, Doji candlestick. Huh? Don't forget. Huh? Okay, the formula. Why it's doing such crazy candlestick pattern compared to the original? Okay, the Heiken Ashi, okay, it will calculate the open, okay, plus the high, plus the low of the candle, plus close, okay, and divide this by 4. That's the formula. You don't have to master this formula every time. You don't need I'm just explaining to you the difference between a normal and a Heikenashi. Okay, as you will see now. This is the Heikenashi. Okay, you go to the candles. Okay, this is the normal candlestick, right? That's what you know. Okay, if you will notice there, okay, there's some wicks there. Okay, there's some wick there, right? There's a wick. Okay, and what else? In the downtrend, there's some wick there. Okay, on the top. Okay, some wick in the bottom there. Okay, now I will change this to the Heikenashi. Okay, watch carefully. Yeah, Heikenashi. You see, my friend, there is no wick on the top, right? This is what I'm talking about. When you see this one, it means now really it's pushing hard to the downside. When you see this one without wick on the bottom, this is now pushing to the upside. And compare that now to the Heiken Ashi in the chart. You see, once you see this one, okay, they are having wicks there in the top and the bottom, okay? But once you see this, there's no wick forming, another wick, another candle, no wick forming on the top. This is the time to enter. Okay? Now, really, this trend is going to push hard. And you will put your stop loss above this swing points there, above this wick to protect you. Okay? And you are a winner. Easy peasy. In the 5-minute time frame, okay, you have this. And what did you notice, my friend? Look at this doji there. Exactly at the place where we want it, right? After the doji, a bearish candle with no wick on the top, the second candle, no wick on the top, you enter there, and voila. How nice, huh? That is the secret sauce. You see this doji here? That is also a doji. And when the wick of the doji, okay, is over, uh, sorry, what do you call that? Engulfing the bottom and the top of the bearish candle here, that is the sign that this is now really going to push harder. And there's some doji coming down there. Okay, it's just the same. Okay, if you will put a box on top of that wick to the bottom of that wick here, this top wick and the bottom, see, it is just going sideways. Okay, and then there's another doji there, meaning this is not going anymore to the upside. It's giving now. Okay, all this volume to the downside, as you will see here. Okay, these candles here without the wicks on the top, that is really a very good downtrend. Okay, there's 5 minutes. Every candle stick here is 5 minutes. The doji. Okay, and then you will have ample time to get in. Okay, you miss the first two candles. No problem. I will enter in the third candle. When it closes, I will enter there and manage my stop loss there and just ride the trend. That's it. Okay. Very good. Very good. That's the secret sauce. That is the secret sauce, the doji. Oh my God, I deleted that indicator trading session. Okay, let's fix this quickly. Okay, Asia is blue. Okay, London is green. New York is orange. That's it. Now, going back to that slides. Okay, there are a few differences to note between the two types of charts, okay? And they're demonstrated by the charts above, okay? Heiken Ashi has a smoother look, right? Look, there is no wicks going there. And you can see here, there's a combination of red and green. Okay, it's black and white, but red and green is the same. There's a combination of candles here, black, white, black, black, white, okay? So it's going to confuse you. Is this going up now? I see a white candle. So, but in a Hakenashi, okay, you can see it. It's maintaining that color. In this case, if it's black, it's black. If it's red, it's all red. Until you see the white one, okay, appearing there, it means another white one. Then this is really now the reversal. But very easy, right? Compared to the normal candlesticks. That's it. Heiken Ashi has a smoother look because it is essentially taking an average of the movement. There is a tendency with Heiken Ashi for the candles to stay red during a downward and a green during an uptrend. So that's the same here. Whereas normal candlesticks alternate colors like this, black, white, black, okay? Okay, even if the price is moving dominantly in one direction. Not just like this. It's going up, but there's some white and black there combination. But here it's just pure white. So that's it. But much easier now to read the charts, right? That is if you get the hang of this. Okay, if you master this one, then yes, you can be the grand master of Haikenashi in trading. But you just have to you just have to give your time here. You have to watch the chart, more screen time. Okay, and then you will master this. Oh, it's all white, I'm buying. Now red, okay, it's starting to reverse. Maybe some Haikenashi there later. And you can enter the trade to the downside. That's it. Okay. Very nice, huh? Okay. Another one. Also, be the current price of the asset and that matches the closing price of the candlestick or the current price of the bar. Yeah, if the bar hasn't closed. What does that mean? Let's read more. Because Heikenashi is taking an average. There's always an average. Okay? The current price of the candle may not match the price at which the market is actually trading. This is the limitation there, I'm telling you. For this reason, okay, sir, Zoom user, sir, what is the difference of small wick and long wick in Heikenashi? I saw small and long wick down trade. Okay, Zoom user, this is a bullish candlestick. Okay, without the wick at the bottom, this is really giving a bullish sentiment. Opposite for the red candle without the wick on the bottom on the top. As you can see here, you see there is wicks there. It means it's just it's undecided. The traders, buyers, and the sellers here are fighting here. Wick there, wick there. I want to go up. No, sellers, I want to go down. So there's more wick pushing this one, pushing this price and forming these wicks there. But the moment you see the doji like this, okay, and then a very small one, huh? This is really the very dangerous doji. The very small one, it means anytime now, one side will win, the buyer or the seller. And in this case, it printed the bearish candlestick of Heiken Ashi. This one, it's printing this. Now it means I'm going down. That is your signal to sell. Fight is over. I'm going down. Okay, let's go. You see, that is the difference. Okay, I hope I answered your question, sir. Is it clear now for you? Look, sir, in downtrend, look, sir, in downtrade, the candle of the Heiken Ashi is not same. It have small and big wicks. Oh, I can, let me read your let me read your message again. Look, sir, in down trade, the candle of the Heiken Ashi is not same. It have small and big wick. What do you mean? This one? This one, right? This one you're talking about? No, to the down trade. This one. Oh, this one. There is a. Oh, okay. So, okay. You see this one? Yes. It cannot be uniform every time. It cannot be uniform every time. Okay. If you think this is the week, the standard week for the Haikenashi, okay, I want to see another Haikenashi like this. Okay, maybe like this. But now you're seeing some small here. Okay, it doesn't matter. What's important is the wick above. There is no wick above the candle. There is no wick. You see, there is no wick. There is no wick. There is no wick. There is no wick. This is the most important thing. Okay? Don't look at the wick on the down on the bottom here. That is not what we want to see. When you see this coming, okay, there's a wick now on the top. Oh, maybe it's going to reverse. Yes, you have to get ready. Some buyer now is coming in, huh? And you see this one is pushing the now the bottom the top wick is now gone again. Okay, but now it's a green candle appear. Now this is where you can really confirm something is going wrong now. And then you see this wick here on the top. Okay, it means now this is not normal. Okay, now I have to get ready. And then the last push of the seller is this. Okay. But zoom in, my friend. Okay, you zoom in. Okay, there is some wick there. There is some wick there. Something is not normal. Compared to this, it's clean. Huh? Very clean. No wick on the top. This is still going really down. Of course, there's no trend that goes forever. Something is going to snap or going to happen anytime. How many minutes is this, my friend? When you enter this, for example, you enter there, okay? This point, oh, I forgot how to do this now. Wait, ruler. Okay, like that. Okay. Let's say you stop there. Let's say you stop here because now you see this doji. This is the doji with the long wick on top and the bottom. And maybe you stop there. How many time it took you? 1 hour and 40 minutes. I don't know how long you are waiting for your your trend to finish, but it can be 2 hours, it can be 3 hours. But in a 5 minute, this is very logical. This is very common. 1 hour of downtrend in the 5 minute chart, it's okay. But it's giving you more than 1 hour. 1 hour and 40 minutes. You made your money after seeing this doji there. And now you are seeing a doji to reverse here in the green one. Okay, and that's it. Then consider yourself lucky or or blessed with profits on this trend. That's it. Okay. Hope that's clear, Sarah. Oh, now I again. Okay, never mind about the trading session. Or shall we put it back again? I don't know. I know. I'm getting used to this trading session indicator. Okay, let's do this again. I will be very careful now. This is green. This is orange for New York. And I really have to change this also, this timing here, but it will take our time now. Okay, forget about the wick on the top. Okay, always look at the top wick. If there is clean like this, it's really going strong. But when it's showing some wick there and then a doji there, then that's the reversal. Okay, now very good. Thank you for your message, Mr. Zoom user, and for having a very engaging discussion here for everyone now. Also, give a clear idea about this. Okay. Now, 5 key signals in Heiken Ashi. Strong uptrend. Look at this. There is no wick on the bottom. That's it. No wick on the bottom. How big this candlesticks are? Huh? How many hundreds of pips this one? No wick. No wick. Very strong bearish. That's it. Weak trend. Weak uptrend. Okay. When now you're seeing some wick there on the bottom. This is now okay. It's like in the car, some brake is getting applied there. Now the car is slowing down, like a trend. Okay, so weak uptrend. Okay, something is gone, not normal, not looking good. I have to be very careful. That's your signal. Okay, weak uptrend na, strong uptrend, weak uptrend. Some weak on the bottom. Very good. Sideways trend. See, a lot of doji. There's a lot of doji. Green, red, green, red. Okay, green. Okay, some green, red. Okay, green, green. Some lot of doji. Okay, it means it's not the time to enter. Everything now is very clear for you. Like something is not right. There's a green, there's a red, it's mixing, it's sideways, which is true. Look at this price action. It's just going sideways. You are going to get trapped. Okay, there's a doji. You said you want to go up. Okay, by the way, there's another doji going. It's not the proper time. Okay, some sideways. Okay, sideways. Okay, that's clear. Okay, Zoom user, sir, if the Heiken Ashi, sir, is the Heiken Ashi can be used in all time frame? Yes. Heiken Ashi is fractal. It can be used in any time frame. 1 minute, 2 months, monthly time frame, no problem. You can all use this. Okay? Hope that answers your question. Huh? Oh my God. It. I'm just showing you the 5 minute time frame. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good again, Mr. Zoom user. You're really getting getting engaged very well. And also, this will make it very clear for other audience. Very good. My friends, you can all use the Heiken Ashi in all the time frame. 1 minute, 15 minute. Okay. Where is my Heiken Ashi? There it is. Okay. It's all the same. See, putting all this very strong bearish candle like that. Okay. And this downtrend, the same. In this uptrend, you see, you zoom in. You see, there's no wick on the bottom. This is very good. You see, you can stay longer. 5 minutes, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 1 hour in your life is gone, but you are staying in the trend longer because of this Haikenashi, right? There's nothing to worry about. You know that this is real because I see the doji. I see the Doji. Let's go. Okay. And then, Doji, wait. There's a Doji. Wait. I have to exit now. Very good. Very good, my friend. You see, going there is a Doji. Oh, maybe I will enter. Okay. This was usually your target. Let's say this was your target, something up there. You said 1 hour is too much. Now I have too much money, too much profit now, but I see the Doji. Maybe Maybe I will exit here. Okay, let's wait some more time. Oh, I see another doji there. And a red candle. That's it. Exit the trade. Or maybe your target was here. Okay. Maybe you want to hit this swing high there. That is your target. Yes. That is normally how we do it. We look to the left, we look to the left. Oh, I will target this one, but my doji my Haikanashi is giving me the doji. Okay, I'm satisfied. I'm going to better luck next time. So that's it. You didn't lose the trade. You just keep on winning, right? Very good. That's it. Okay, very clear. Huh? Very nice. Okay, sideways. Strong downtrend. The same opposite here. There is no wick on the top. Very good. It's very strong. Weak downtrend. Okay, some wick on the top. Maybe I need to be very careful. And lastly, the same with the sideways, huh? Okay. The limitation, it does not show the actual market price like a traditional candlestick chart. Yes, this is true. I will show you. It presents a smooth out version of price action. The Heiken Ashi is giving you the smooth out version, which can sometimes restrict a trader's ability to perform certain types of analysis. Yes, if you are okay, or with their strategies. You know why? You didn't ask this question yourself. Why? Let's see for this example. Okay, let's put a marker here, like a circle. Okay, now I will go to the traditional candlestick. Right, God. Where is that? There it is. Okay, we are in a 15-minute time frame. It's very different from the Heiken Ashi, right? You see this one? If you are, I don't know if you are here with us. Hello, Mr. Thomas, sir. Welcome, Mr. Roger. Welcome to our webinar. Hope you can catch up, huh? Or otherwise, you can always watch this in Algoter's YouTube channel and watch this in your most convenient time. Okay. You see, I'm always going to the line chart. Remember, in our past webinar, I'm going to the line chart. Why? Because I want to see the V level here. This is the support. V, A, V, V, V. Okay? V like that. Right? Because this is a normal candlestick. Okay, when we see for example, red, green, okay? There's a red, green, it will give us the what? The V. You see, I will go to line. So there's the V, right? And if I will go to green, red, what it will give us? It will give us the A. It will give us the A. Okay? That's normal candlesticks. Okay? Now, if you will go to the Heiken Ashi, okay, it's there, huh? Just below this, you can see your Heiken Ashi there in trading view. Okay. In the Heiken Ashi, there's that. There it is. You see, if I will based on this red green, okay, it's always on the first candle, right? Red green, I will put my line there to know where is my V level. But if I will switch back to line, you see, it's very far. It's very far. That's why in this explanation, it presents as say it does not show the actual market price. Okay? It's not showing you what it's actually reversing. That is the difference. That's why, my friend, there is some limitation, huh? Very good. Yeah, I hope you understand now the difference, right? You cannot have the exact A and V level when using the Heiken Ashi. Okay, my friends, I hope that's clear, huh? Very good. If there's any more question, please, anytime you can ask me. You see, I put the line there, okay? But it's not giving me the exact time, okay? Now, continuing the strategy. We have to go fast. My God, it's almost 8 o'clock. Okay, the strategy, enter the trade after a doji. Huh? Candlestick. This appears from an uptrend or downtrend. Now it's a downtrend and then the doji is there. Okay. As this will signify a trend reversal. This is the secret sauce, that doji. The longer the wicks from the top or bottom of the candle body suggests a strong reversal pattern. Normally, an opposite color, read very well, normally an opposite color of the doji candlestick after the trend, bearish or bullish, is important. Okay? To note, since the subsequent candlesticks of the same color doji candle must appear to imply the trend reversal. Okay? I hope you got that. It means if it's a green doji, the second candle, bullish candle, should be a green candle, right? However, a doji candlestick from the same trend color can also mean the same thing. Okay? Use the stochastic oscillator indicator or MACD. I can also put here MACD, MACD indicator to match the appearance of the doji candlestick on the chart. Okay, as you will see now later on. Now, finishing this one, that's the strategy. Yeah? We will go back and forth as we explained to you in the chart. So about Algoter is a quantitatively driven trading company focusing on market making and multi-asset trading. Its expertise spans various assets Classes including futures, options, stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Algoter is a quantitative trading service company with over 10 years of experience in strategy development, focusing on proprietary trading. So let the timers talk, my friends. You can read all about this in their website, algoter.com, and uh, know more. And also share this with your friends and your family who are interested in forex, and they can get to know more about this amazing company. All right. And as you all know, we have copy trading here, okay? Copy trading lets you automatically replicate the trades of expert traders in real time. When they buy, sell, your account does too, without manual effort. Start with only $100, okay? Contact our Algoter managers and they'll gladly assist you, explain to you everything about copy trading when you are a busy person. Okay, or you're going to work, okay, you copy trade in the morning, and then when you get home later in the day, you made your money already just by copy trading other traders trades. Okay, so contact our algorithm managers as soon as possible. And as you know, we also have some insurance program here where you keep 100% of any profits you make. Originally this was 1,500, but now for only 500 you can avail this. Okay, and there's a sweet spot here in this table of 6,000 where there's a monthly return of investment of 26.79%. Oh, Jamar, very good. Already copy trade. Very nice, sir. Very good. Thank you for availing this copy trading feature. All right. And hope you all the best and make your money. Yeah. Okay. Then, as you know, ZOE, we always use ZOE to trade. So ZOE is a global financial technology company under the ZOE Group, headquartered in the United Kingdom, with operational centers in the Hong Kong and the United States. Specializing in CFD trading, ZOE offers a diverse range of financial products, including forex, precious metals, oil indices, and U.S. shares. ZOE is fully regulated, offering secure, professional trading experience with competitive fees, fast execution, and powerful tools to grow your investments confidently. Available in Google Play and App Store. There's the QR code there. You can scan it now and install this in your iOS or Android devices. So trade on the go, Zoe, and you can have the best trading experience. All right, my friends. And lastly, our secret giveaway of 50% deposit bonus. Deposit 100, you will get 50, 500, 250, 1,000, you will get $500 extra. Who will give you $500 extra? Even your mayor will not give you $500. But Algotor is there for you, my friends. All right. Act now, act fast. This will go fast. So please avail, my friends. All right. Okay, we're done with the slides now. We will now go to the chart. So, going back, because it's up to you. For me, 5 minutes is a very good time frame to start mastering this strategy. So we will go there. Okay, so let's remove this one. Okay, so let's say you are there, okay, early morning. Okay, you want to trade. Let's see what's happening now. And what you will do. Wait for that doji, right? That's all you need to do. Wait for that doji. Okay, so what time is this? 4:50 a.m. Are you trading at 4:50 a.m.? You are sleeping, right? So this is not the thing. Okay, now it's moving now. Okay, 6 o'clock. Okay, maybe you are awake. You want to go to work. 6 o'clock. Okay, Sydney is going there. Okay, the Australians are, I think, okay. The Australians are now trading there. And what you are seeing now, my friend? What you are seeing? Tell me. I'm hyping you. No problem. Okay, let's say it's coming like that. Nice. Okay. 7:35. Tokyo. 8 o'clock, right? There's Tokyo. So there's your Asia. Very good. So you said, maybe it's time to enter, huh? Let's see. Okay, because you are a beginner in this, so you want to prove that it's really happening based on our lesson for tonight. Okay, you see the doji, and then there's the what? Okay, normally an opposite color of the doji candlestick after the trend, okay, is important since the subsequent candlesticks of the same color doji, subsequent candles of the same color must appear to imply the trend reversal. This was going down, isn't it? It was going down, and then in opposite color, doji. This is green, and the subsequent candlesticks of the same color doji candle must appear to imply the trend reversal. There it is. There is your subsequent candle that must appear. So this is now going now for the uptrend. Very nice, right? Okay, continue. Now you will put this in practice, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, you are saying, nice. Okay, and then you are saying, oh, now it's my turn. Where is my doji? So it's going, 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 going. Okay, now still with some big bullish candle like this is really very strong, huh? So you have to wait. Okay, another bullish candle, very strong. There's no wick there. Okay, but anytime, anything can happen in trading. Okay, another bullish candle. Wow, you are really, if you entered from there, if you entered from this doji here, okay, you see this doji for closing, you will put your entry there, you put your stop loss there, and you will just ride this doji trend. Very nice, huh? Okay, so and then you see the doji, sorry, the body of the candle is getting small. You see, compared to this four here, it's a very long candle, and then you see, it's giving some break action, right? It's breaking, it's breaking, and some wick there. Okay, and then whoa, my friend, some doji. That's what I'm talking about, my friend. Okay, Tomo. What time is that again? Time for what, my friend? The time for entry or what? Asia, no, Asia starts here 8 o'clock, huh? Time frame, 5 minutes. You see, 5 minute, huh? 5 minute time frame. We are in a 5 minutes. So every candlestick here is 5 minutes. Okay. Watch how to use this strategy. You see the doji, and it's really getting small. The body is now very small. This is the time to be very careful. Okay, once you have that, okay, you will maybe you are profiting there. Maybe you want to jump, you want to close your trade. Then very good decision. Let's see the next candle. Oh, wow, another very small doji with the long wicks there, much smaller body. This is the most dangerous doji. Okay, and your opposite candle color, the red bearish, okay, the red bearish doji, sorry, candle there, bearish candlestick. You see, it looks exactly like that. No wick, bottom wick, no wick on the top. That's my secret sauce. But you want, because you are beginner, you want to have more confluence. Okay, let's wait for the next candle. Now it's really very clean. No wicks on the top. Okay, in that bearish candle, I want to enter now. Short position there. Stop loss above those swing high there, those wicks there. That's your protection. Okay, bong. It can indirectly enter trade using Heiken Ashi candle while price is different with the actual price. Yes, because this is the strategy of the Heiken Ashi. We are not applying the same strategy for that traditional candlesticks, okay? Because it will now conflict with your strategy in the Hakenashi. This is the only secret sauce. This doji here, it was a very clean bullish green candles here, and then it's getting smaller, and then there is a doji, and there's the very small doji, the very dangerous doji. Look what it's giving you in the next candle. It's a red, bearish candle. This is what we want to see for the reversal. And it's giving you that. And then you don't believe it. And then it's giving you another one. So what more you want, my friend? That is the time to enter. Stop loss above those wicks there. And target what? What you will target? Normally, you will target the opposite direction of the trend. So you want to target Tokyo's low. Okay, that is very normal. People want to target the low of the Asia low. You are in the Asia high, you want to target the Asia low. Okay, but I will give you one tip. Okay, because if you will do this in trading view, you will see exactly how many is your reward, risk to reward. 1:7.09. That is very big reward ratio for you. 1:7. Normally, 1:2, you begin. 1:2. 1:1.59. 1:2. That is your 1:2. Okay? 1:3. Okay, you are really pushing it. No, it's not bad, but better than 1:2. But 1:7, my God, that is very nice. Now, to give you, okay, plot your support and resistance. Where look to the left. Where is your support and resistance at this price line? Anything that will react to this one is reacting somewhere here. So you put the rectangle there and put the rectangle box there. It's reacting to this. It went down, right? And here it's also went down. So some resistance, some SNR, support and resistance is happening here. It's top this, it's reacted to this. It top this, it's reacting to this. Something is reacting to until it finally broke and now it become the support. Right? So that's how you will get your take profit if you want to practice this concept. Okay? If there's something reacting to that area here, then that's the key level. Okay? So price normally will come to this key level. Okay? So let's watch this in action, my friends. Everything is set. Your stop loss. You have your doji. You have your bearish candles there, giving you the reversal pattern. And what? Use the stochastic isolator MACD indicator to match the appearance of the doji candlestick on the chart. To match the appearance of the doji candlestick on the chart. Let's do that. Indicator, moving average convergence divergence, MACD. There it is. Don't touch anything. Don't change the settings here. This is default. And look at this, my friend. It's starting to have that crossover now. You see, it's going to cross over. Huh? Let's see. Huh? Okay, you enter the trade. It taps your entry point there, and it's giving you this crisscrossing. After the doji there, it's getting the crossover. And what a clean crossover, huh? Just like Iverson. Okay, and then watch your profit grow. It's going down. It's now separating. The blue and the orange line are separating. You see the red bars there. That's a downtrend, right? Just let it play out. Will it hit your support and resistance key level here as your take profit? Okay, let's adjust this. Okay, put it halfway. Okay, like that. I don't know why I want to put it halfway because I think that's best. It can hit the probability of hitting this is very high. Okay, you see, it hit your TP. Will it hit your TP? No, it's going up, but strategy is a strategy. You see, it didn't hit your stop loss. The stop loss is above this week. You see, it didn't hit it. So you are still okay. Strategy is strategy, right? Okay, we are going back. London. London came. Will it hit our SNR here? That's it, my friend. It hit your take profit. Nice, huh? That is the Heiken Ashi strategy. How nice. How would you like to have this strategy in your trading journey? That's how you do it, my friends. Okay. When you see the doji, there's going to be a reversal. Just like this, a doji, and it's reversed to the upside. There's a doji there, a very small one there. Really now, it's everything, anything can happen now. It gives you the red bearish candle. You waited for another bearish candle. You entered there, and then you just watch your trade to go your way with your SNR here, plotting your key levels as your take profit, and you will be a winner each and every time. Okay, my friends, practice this. It needs some practice to master this strategy. You can be the grandmaster of Heiken Ashi candles if you want to profit in this forex. Okay, that's it. Did you think of anything else? You are just waiting for the doji. You wait for the doji, enter. You wait for the doji, bearish candle reversal, enter. Yeah, and then your MACD is giving you the crossover here. And just watch the trade play out with your SNR here. Okay, it's reacting to this level. So price will go to that level eventually. And look what happened here. Okay, how nice, huh? How nice. So that's the secret sauce for tonight, my friends. And thank you. I hope you learned something new again for tonight. If there's any question, please do so now so we can wrap up this webinar. No questions, everything is clear. Very good. Okay, so you can always watch this in Algoter's YouTube channel. You can watch all the webinars there in your most convenient time and learn all about the strategies. Okay, my friends, I hope you learned something new. Apply this now, practice in the 5 minute, wait for that doji. You are not thinking of any more very complicated things, especially for the newbies. And now, even you are having some experience in trading, and now you learn something very powerful again tonight. Use this strategy, Heiken Ashi candles. Just wait for the doji as the secret sauce with all this bullish after a doji candle there and the reversal candles there in red. You enter there, and then you are a winner. All right. Okay. Thank you also, Mr. Bong, and always practice and always be the best you can be in trading. Okay, my friends, wish you all the best. Thank you for attending this week's webinar, and I'll see you again next week for another secret sauce reveal. Okay, my friends, thank you. Have a nice weekend. Good night, and bye-bye.